Ever dreamed of living large in a small space? This isn't just a tiny house. It's a slice of luxury nestled in nature. From the sleek exterior to the handcrafted details, every inch is designed with style and comfort in mind. Step inside and feel the warmth. Imagine sinking into these plush cushions after a long day, surrounded by soft textures and a calming glow. It's the perfect cozy retreat, your personal sanctuary to unwind and relax. Now, let's talk details. Check out this stunning fish scale tile work. It's not just a wall, it's a piece of art, perfectly complemented by high-end fixtures that add a touch of elegance. Luxury isn't about size, it's about quality. Worried about space? We've got you covered. With clever hidden storage solutions and a functional design, everything has its place. From drawers that slide out effortlessly to the cozy loft that's perfect for a restful night's sleep, this home is as practical as it is beautiful. And the best part, waking up to this, picture yourself here with a warm cup of coffee, looking out at the peaceful view. This is more than a home. It's a lifestyle, a chance to live simply, beautifully, and freely. Want to see more of this tiny luxury home? Hit that subscribe button and follow our journey. Thanks for watching.